Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. I will place some trade in OTC market IQ option platform. So let's start. Okay, so previously it was uptrend market and market is now trying to going to the upward direction because here market already created a momentum. After that market again trying to go up. Okay, I will place my trade after closing of this candle. Okay, I placed my trade here to the downward direction. There was a strong reason here. That's why I placed my trade here to the downward direction. Although market is trying to go up here, but I placed my trade to the downward direction. Market must create here a bearish candlestick. So that's why I placed my trade here to the downward direction. After 1 minute, I think market must close below my entry point and I must win this trade. So let's see what will happen. Yes, this was my winning trade. I again placed my trade here to the upward direction for 1 minute. I think market must go up from this area here. Okay, this was my winning trade. I again placed my trade here to the upward direction for 1 minute. I think market will again continue to the same direction. So let's see what will happen here. I placed 3 trades here in a row and all these 3 trades are winning trade. Now I'm explaining the reason of placing my trade here. Okay, first trade. This was my first trade. So market started from here. It was a momentum. After that, market create here a bearish candlestick, then market create another bullish candlestick here, and it was a pattern, candlestick pattern. Although it's a candlestick pattern and everything is okay to go up, but I placed my trade here to the downward direction because I know market must create here a bearish candlestick. So why? What's the reason? There is a strong reason here. There was a resistance level here, and this is the breakout, and previously this was support. So it's a strong SNR level, and market exactly close at this strong SNR level. So if this candle break this area, so then I go to the upward direction. So when market exactly close at this area, so I placed my trade immediately here to the downward direction. So after this candlestick, so when market reverse from here, I immediately place my trade in the next candle here to the upward direction. Why? Because After this retracement candlestick here, market will not fall down. Why? Because this pressure from the buyer side, it was just a retracement. After this retracement, market will again continue to the same direction. That's why I immediately place my trade in this candle here to the upward direction. After 1 minute, market strongly go up and it was my winning trade. Okay, so then next trade. So there was a resistance level here and this candle broke this resistance level. That's why I again placed my trade here in this candle to the upward direction for 1 minute. After 1 minute, market again go up and it was my winning trade. So I placed 3 trade in a row and all these 3 trades are winning trade. Basically, I placed my trade based on pure candlestick psychology. So this is the pure candlestick psychology. If we know pure candlestick psychology deeply, each and every trade we will win. So this was the last trade. So there was a level here, market broke this level, and after breakout of this level, I immediately placed my trade here to the upward direction for 1 minute. After 1 minute, market closed above my entry point, and this was my winning trade. So just we need deep knowledge. First of all, if we can learn pure candlestick psychology very deeply, we can win each and every trade in OTC market also. So we need just deep knowledge. Without deep knowledge, it's not possible to make money from this platform. So this is all about today's trading. If anybody want to learn price action, VSA, pure candlestick psychology, confusion free CWRV course, Delta River and Forex, contact me by Telegram at the TRUSTEDBNRY, WhatsApp +88017417788986. So thanks for watching my videos.